Have you noticed your fuel economy taking a dip recently while driving on the highway, even though your engine seems to be running just fine? If that check engine light is staring at you with code P0740, it is time to look at your transmission. This code stands for torque converter clutch circuit malfunction. To understand this, you need to know that your automatic transmission uses a fluid coupling called a torque converter to connect the engine to the wheels. Inside that converter is a clutch. When you are cruising at highway speeds, the computer commands this clutch to lock up, creating a solid one-to-one connection between the engine and transmission. This stops slippage and improves gas mileage. Code P0740 means the transmission control module has detected an electrical fault in the circuit that controls the solenoid responsible for this lockup action. The computer is trying to send a signal to the torque converter clutch solenoid to engage, but the circuit is not responding correctly. The most common symptom is simply the malfunction indicator lamp being illuminated and a slight decrease in miles per gallon. You typically will not feel a massive difference in how the car drives because the torque converter still works hydraulically, but you lose that extra efficiency at high speeds. The causes here are usually electrical. It could be a damaged wiring harness going to the transmission, a loose connection, or the torque converter clutch solenoid itself has failed. Troubleshooting starts with a visual inspection of the transmission wiring harness. Look for burnt wires or corrosion on the connectors. If the external wiring looks good, the problem is likely internal. You or a technician will need to use a factory wiring diagram to locate the power source and check the resistance and continuity of the solenoid circuit. If the solenoid is dead, it usually requires removing the transmission pan to replace it. While this code generally points to an electrical failure rather than a destroyed transmission, ignoring it can put extra heat and stress on your fluid and converter over time. If testing the external wires does not reveal the problem, seeing a transmission specialist is the smartest move to ensure the solenoid is replaced correctly.